Do you love photography, but find it hard to organize your images so you can quickly and easily find them again? Designed for both enthusiasts and professionals, FotoStation drastically improves your workflow for organizing and processing large collections of photos. You don't need to import or upload photos to FotoStation because it directly maps your folders within the system. You can simply browse through and locate your folder. Then your photos are already there. It's incredibly easy to find images you're looking for. Search across all metadata in any kind of file. One of the most time-consuming and difficult things after a photo shoot is going through all your original shots and choosing the best ones. FotoStation provides various selection tools for culling large collections of pictures, such as carousel, slideshow, and a comparison tool. You can easily separate your best pictures from the rest after you've imported a bunch of files from your camera. Easily filter your collections by rating, status, and tags using keyboard shortcuts. Take full control of your files using descriptive metadata. Make it easy to find and retrieve your photos whenever you need. Use Smart Replace to quickly add copyright information. And you can also customize the metadata template to your needs. Let's try adding city. Just drag and drop, and it's done. Metadata is embedded in your images and follows the image wherever it goes, so there's no need to worry about losing important metadata on the way. Set up multi-step actions to speed up repetitive tasks. These are some examples of actions. You can resize and grayscale. Powerful actions let you process a bunch of files with a single click. You can create your own actions depending on your needs, save time, and do what you love. The built-in editor lets you do quick retouching. Work efficiently with RAW plus JPEG bundles from digital cameras. Adjust color balance. Reduce high ISO noise. Pixelate faces or car plates. Remove dust or scratches and spots, and more. A free 2-week trial is available for you to download for both Mac and Windows. Streamline your photo workflow with FotoStation and spend more time doing what you love.